Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how to put music on your videos. So you go videos and then it comes up with your videos. But there's no edit button here. So what you have to do, you up here, click video manager. Load. And then it comes up with this thing called edit. And yeah, so you click edit here. And then you go onto audio. See that thing there? And then you got all these tracks. I mean, you can choose whatever one you want. And there's a little search button, 150,000 tracks. So yeah, that's how you put music on your video. And that's just like a song. And you can have that in your video. You know, whatever you want. So, bye YouTube. See you like next time. Bye.